Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Hold on. Say with me, bro. Say with me. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? Today I'm trying to come at y'all with another live trading video. And today, in the market, man, we are trying to catch a dub, bro. No cap. We're trying to catch a dub on GJ. We're in a pair of GJ right now. I got this demand marked up. Now, my original entry, low-key, wanted to be right here, but this candle right here that we at right now, it's just been playing around and shit. So, I mean, and really, I really wanted to get an entry on this candle, but it didn't even make a wick below. And y'all know I love entering on candles that have a wick below, so I can place my stop loss below it. But it didn't give me a wick below it, and I really don't feel too confident about it. So, if it doesn't give me a wick below, then I'm just not gonna enter this trade. That's just my strategy, you know what I'm saying? I feel like when we in the market, we have to make up rules for ourselves and follow them rules. And if certain things don't happen, then we just don't get in the trade. So if it doesn't make a wick below, if it does, then I'll get in. But you know, sometimes we just gotta every day you don't get the perfect setup. I ain't gonna lie, every day you don't get the perfect setup. So we're just gonna see, man. I feel like I think I might wait till the next candle to see. Oh yeah, so I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. It'll be nice if we could maybe break a bro below around here, and then shoot up. Let me see. You see how these candles moving aggressive? You see how these candles like really moving aggressive though? Like they just moving aggressive, and I don't really like that. I know we had news earlier today, but bro, these aggressive candles, I don't like them. I don't like them. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like them, bro. I'm just not a big fan of them. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like especially when it's around my entry time and they just start get to moving like real fast and real crazy. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Me and aggressive candles, we just don't mix. Like this shit is just playing around, and like the way that I trade, that's why I don't get in around aggressive candles. Cause me personally, if I would have got in that trade, knowing me, my stop loss would have been right here and we would have been tagged out. Now, not saying that this isn't still a good setup, but it's just look for the way my strategy works, it wouldn't have been ideal for me. So we're just gonna see what this do. You know, some days you get a trade, some trades you don't. I mean, some trades you don't. Some days you don't. But hey, man, if y'all new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy the videos over here. I'm gonna do my best to keep it lit for y'all. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna follow me on IG, follow me at METXRO. The link is in the description down below. And yeah. So if you're interested in the way I trade, I'm saying make sure to click the link. Fuck. Always stutter. Make sure you click the link in the description down below as well. It's $25 a mini course. I'll go over however I trade, all that, and you know, all that good shit. You know. So feel free to do that if you don't want to buy it. It's all good. I'm saying I'm not finna judge you. I'm not finna get in your face. I'm not finna hunt you down, track you down, none of that shit. If you don't want to buy it, I'm cool with it. But yeah, man. We just really just seeing what the market is giving today, and it's just like if I would have gotten in like right there, that shit just would have all have been hurt. I'm not gonna lie, this would have definitely been an L. But I guess I can go over one of the other trades that I sent to the I didn't send to the chat. Some I had marked up was this, and like I said, with the aggressive candles, I didn't get in, but I definitely did had this marked up. Now, if you have me on IG, you know I posted this trade, but like I said, it was when it came time for my entry, candles moving aggressive. And on this candle, I'm gonna move this over right here so y'all can see. And this candle right here, where it was this candle right here, this does look like a good candle. But let me see if I can go to the minute. And this right here, where it pushed up, and then pushed all the way down was just like, yo, and that shit happened dumb quick, right? And you know, this is a beautiful setup. I'm not gonna lie, it was a beautiful, beautiful setup. But it was just the candles. If the candles was moving like at a regular pace and not just, you know, like that, then you know I would have taken that. But hey, man, I sent this to the chat. It was just a possible trade that I took. Well, not a possible trade, but just something I had marked up. Not saying I was trading or anything, but if this trade don't play out right here, which it might not, to be honest with you, because we have news at 8:30. Yeah, bro. Like, this is just the reality of the trading scene. Like, not every day you're gonna get a trade. And I feel like a lot of people on YouTube only showcase wins. You know, they only like to showcase wins. And the ones who really do this shit, they show their losses every now and then. You know what I'm saying? But that's very rare. But I'm just here to bring the real shit to y'all. Like, on some real shit. This wasn't the best week for me. Literally only because, not saying I didn't catch any setups, because if you was on my IG and my Discord, you know I sent out signals. It's free signals. You know what I'm saying? I don't charge my signals. You know, it's just everything is in the Discord. I'm gonna show y'all real quick if y'all not up to date. We got the trading chat. You know, just all types of things. You know, everybody, you know, talking about what they seeing, what they think about trading. You know, all that type of crazy shit, right? The winning setups. You know, just all types of shit, you know. And then here's a signal that I'll be sending sometimes, you know, right there, boom. So, yeah, man, like I said, every day in the market you're not gonna get a win. Every day in the market you're not gonna get a loss. Every day in the market you're just not gonna get a trade. What I feel like the most important thing about being a trader is knowing your limitations and knowing what you want to see in the market, and not what other people would, you know what I'm saying, what other people see in the market. Because as long as it makes sense to you, that's all that matters. So I know a lot of people be like, oh, why don't you get in right there? You know, I really do feel like some people did get in right here just because they saw this push to the upside. But this setup, it just didn't feel right, and it was taking too long to break above this right here, because this candle right here was what I was really waiting for. This is the first tap into the zone, and then this second candle right here, I wanted it to like push down and then break above, and then have my stops just below that candle wick. And we didn't get that today. So this, I just really just wanted to showcase this, y'all. You know, I don't really, if I don't get a trade, then I just don't get a trade. And try not, like, if you don't get a trade, try not to let it bother you. Like, real shit. If you know your strategy is profitable and you know your discipline is on point, risk management's on point, just understand that there will be other trades in the future, for sure. You just can't rush the trades. Like, I'm telling you, bro. This whole week, if I like actually would have been able to trade and I didn't have to drop my sister off to school and I didn't have a headache or I was sick. I'm still kind of sick, to be honest with you. But thank God I don't got a headache today. But you know, I still feel kind of, you know, I think it's the second day, it's third day of me being sick. But you know, I think I would have been 5-0, 5-0 or 4-0 this week. So you know, I'm not mad. I mean, shit. Like I said, bro. If you know your strategy work, don't worry about it, bro. Just let it come on. Don't try to rush nothing, because when you try to rush something, that's when you gonna fuck shit up. You know, certain shit get messed up, thrown out of order. And yeah, man. So this setup I really think is becoming valid. Because we had news at 8:30. But you know, I don't mind uploading things like this. You know, I don't really care about just uploading strictly wins, because I don't want y'all to think I'm a perfect trader. I've only been in the market for 3 years. To some people, that might be a long time, but to me, I mean, it's alright. You know, it's you know, you know some things about the market at 3 years. You know what I'm saying? There's always more stuff to learn, and even if I've been in the market for 3 years, I still don't feel like I'm at my best. So you know, I feel like every year that I get under my belt is another year that I can, you know, get closer and closer to me reaching my best trading, you know, my best trading style. But I really think I'm not gonna trade this no more. For the simple fact that these candles have touched the zone twice. So hey man, this is just the reality of this shit, you know. You know, you have winning days, you have break even days, you have days where you see a setup, you miss a setup, and like I said, this shit just moving dumb aggressive. So as a trader, we just have to know what we want to look for, and then stand on what we want to look for, and not try to bend or break the rules, or just try to, you know, make weight, or, you know, just stand on your rules, bro. That's all I can tell you. Stand on your rules. If you feel like, hey, you gotta know how to tell yourself, hey, if this happens, I'm getting in. If this happens, I'm not gonna get in. You know, all that type of shit. Don't try to bend, break the rules. If it's okay, well, you know, I might be able to get in right here. Don't do that, bro. Like, as a trader, you really have to be strict. You have to be strict. Cause I promise you, that was one of my issues for the longest amount of time, was just being strict. And it was just, I struggled with that real bad. Like, just being strict to my rules, and like I know I could hop on the charts and be like, okay, look, this one I have here. You know what I'm saying? Once I hit this zone, I'm gonna be looking for this, this, and this. And then let's say 2 out of those 3 things hit, and I thought I was doing good by just, you know, trying to you know, cut that little last confluence off, and end up getting fucked over. You know, you end up getting stopped out, blowing my account, or just, you know, end up just losing the trade and then being like, oh, I knew I shouldn't have did it. So it's just the reality of trading, man. This is what a lot of traders just won't show you. And, you know, like I said on this channel, I try to show y'all the real shit, not the good shit. Well, you know, just what y'all want to hear. You know what I'm saying? This is what a lot of people need to know, and just understand, like, bro, every day in the market is just not gonna be a good day. So, but think about it though, the days that you don't trade, or the days that you finish your break even, you're protecting your capital. You know what I'm saying? Me personally, I've took a lot of losses in this Forex journey, and I will take a break even day or a no trade day over any losing day. Now, look, y'all look at how y'all want to. I done had a lot of losing days. I had a lot of days where I blew my account. Shit's bad, bro. So, I think I'm gonna just hop off the charts for today. This was just a really, I guess you could just say this is a real video. Just me being content on just if I don't see what I like, I'm just not gonna trade it. And a lot of people, they might just be seen as like FOMO, but bro, like, I know what I'm looking for in this market, and it's just that simple. Like, you just gotta know what you like. No matter what people say, if you know what you know, and you know it works for you, don't care what people say. That's why when a lot of people join discords and signal groups and all that other stuff, they tend to get fucked up in the head, because they could have a winning trade or winning analysis, but then, you know, other people start to, you know, put their 2 cents in, or, you know, they start to really rethink things and be like, okay, maybe I don't need all 3 confirmations, and then they end up getting fucked over. So this is just one of the videos that, you know, probably not a lot of people want to see, but they need to see, like, on some real shit. But hey man, I'm not gonna hold y'all up too much. Like I said, if you ain't following me on IG, make sure to follow me on IG, METXRO. Just click the link description down below. Yeah man, it's just a real video out here that I feel like a lot of people just need to hear. And yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, goddammit. Yeah.